Hey, this is my friend. She types faster than me, and she's one of the only people I know that likes keyboards as much as I do. So I decided to teach her how to build one. For this, I got the last round of the Zoom 65 V1 from meletrix/Wuche. The Zoom 65 has been a very popular keyboard for a while now, and I don't think it needs much more said about it, especially with the V2 launching recently, so I'm going to let her learning experience carry most of the weight for this video. I'll still be chiming in periodically, but not nearly as much as normal. But you know, while I'm here, remember to hit that sub button.
I'm scared. How expensive was this?
Don't worry about it.
Build guide, that's cool. I've never seen this.
Alright. Nope.
Oh, you're so mean.
We start with the accessories.
What's the point to keep it from...
Looks good.
Oh, that's the only
Makes
thing?
the part of the cable on the desk look a little more like organized. This is a plate. This is what holds the switches in place when you put them in the PC. So this is polycarbonate. It's really, really soft. This is your PCB. Feet. Screws. This will be the hardest work, is stabilizers. This brand's called Wuche. Their own stabilizers. They're pretty good. This is just Allen keys.
The stickers?
This is your phone.
Oh, the stickers.
No. Plate foam under the plate and above the PCB. Yee foam. This gives it that marbly sound. This you stick on the bottom of the PCB. Oh, this is a battery if you want to be wireless.
Ooh, oh, it's so cute. Our little knob things.
Yeah, you have rotary encoders. I got you 3 different colors because I wasn't sure what you want.
Oh, I'm extremely intimidated.
Alright, since you're so excited about it.
Oh my god, it's like taking a baby out of a car seat. Is there anything I shouldn't do?
Don't drop it. Like hit it off.
No promises, because it feels heavy. Prettiest color in the whole entire world.
Alright, the first thing you want to do is put the feet on the bottom.
Do I have to press it really hard or anything?
No.
Hold it. They're so cute. Looks like bubblegum. What's the name of the color? I like color names. If it's disappointing, then I'm gonna be disappointed.
Blush pink.
Ooh, that's not bad.
So next, we're probably gonna put in the weight.
I love that.
In there. I thought you would really like the silver. I thought it went really, really well with the pink.
Can I take the thing off?
No,
Ah,
do not do that yet.
I wanted to so bad.
Covered in fingerprints.
Oh, this screws it in?
Yep.
Okay.
No, it's gonna be loose forever.
They're so small. Okay. Okay, so just as tight as...
Just hand
Okay. Oh.
Well, we have the case there.
Yeah.
You can install it.
Yay! It's like a puzzle. Right there, and then that one's gonna go over there. Thank you for this fun activity. This looks like I would eat it.
I would start with one of the ends.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Live your life. You
I
do
will.
you.
I will.
It's your keyboard.
It's my life. It's now or never. So here?
Yep.
Oh.
This is the fun part. We gotta lube some stabilizer.
Oh my god, so tiny, the little washers.
Alright, are you ready to learn how to lube?
Never been more ready in my life.
Okay, we gotta start with the housings.
Okay.
You take a little bit of lube, and what I do is I put one side on that side, flip it over, and then you cover the whole wall, even it out, nice and slippery. flip it back over.
Okay.
Flip the brush back over too, so it's even. Even out that side. You're so lucky you don't have to lube switches today. Once you get that, then I'll just take whatever's left on the brush and I'll hit the back
I can't see anything right now.
and these little parts on the front.
Okay.
Just get everything on the inside,
Makes me nice
at
and
least
slippery.
something, but the two big walls are the important part.
Okay.
You wanna try one or you want me to do another one?
I want to try. Can I dip too? I have a... Oh, jeez. I'm shaking.
Yeah. Yeah, these little tiny tools, you really realize how shaky you are.
I want to try one more time.
Okay. So I know this wasn't framed the best, but I wanted to focus on teaching her how to lube the stabs rather than the camera. There are a lot of great tutorials for tuning stabs out there already, and I highly recommend that you watch them. But if you did want to see a video about how I tune stabs and the different ways I approach tuning different types of stabilizers, let me know down in the comments. It's cool.
Whoa, that one like slid in so nicely. Did I do it backwards?
You did it upside down.
Wait. Did I do that on the other one too?
Doesn't look like it. Oh, that
Wait.
doesn't look good. The
I'm
screw
lost.
thing?
Oh, this is upside down.
Yeah. Alright, let's take the end. Dunk it in. And you go a little past the 90 degree. And you bring it back out.
Mm-hmm.
You try not to get, you don't want too much on
That
there.
looks like a lot.
It is. You don't want too much on there because then it gets all sluggish and sloppy. Put it through the bottom hole. And it comes up. Snaps it. And that's one half.
Okay.
And then you do the other half.
Okay, you want me to do one?
We should do the rest of them.
Oh god. Okay. Let me see if I paid attention. It's not doing it.
You almost got it.
Am I not strong enough?
Maybe.
Oh.
There you go.
That was the worst thing I've ever done in my life.
You have to get the washer on the little screw and then screw it in.
Okay. I bet I can do it without tweezers, maybe, possibly.
I have to get the washer on there with tweezers. I cannot.
There you go.
Well, good for you, tiny fingers. It's magnetic. Yeah.
Ooh.
Hold it from the bottom. You want to make sure that thread is like through the PCB. You see how the gold's like flush with the PCB?
Hold on. You make this look a lot easier than it is. How tight?
Hand tight. We did run into the weird hot swap socket placement on the enter key, but it was easy enough to figure out with all the information available online. The beautiful part about plugging the butt is even if the whole thing's built, all we have to do is take off a keycap to do this.
I was wondering.
We don't have to take the entire board apart to tune our stabs. More foam.
They smell so funny. Wait. Me?
Now, you get to put in switches.
Cool.
We're giving you this Terra Cream Milk tactile switches from Keyboom, because I know you like to type. And I've been secretly vetting you for the last 2
I
weeks.
didn't notice it, seriously.
I would start with the corners and a couple in the middle.
Because
Just keep everything like sturdy. Make sure your pins are straight. Line it up, even force from the top. And it should just slide into place and all hold together there.
Can you watch me do it first to make sure I do it right? Oh.
There you go.
That's it?
That should be it. And you always want to do this on a flat surface, because if you have a bent pin and you push into the hot swap socket, you can just pull the entire thing off the board. And then at best, you have to solder it back in. At worst, you rip the entire pad out and you need a new PCB.
I feel like I need adult supervision.
The over-the-top layout options on the Zoom 65 ended up being a little confusing for a beginner, but with a breathing build guide floating over her shoulder, she got it figured out pretty quickly. Nice and soft. see these
Yeah.
indents?
Yep.
Gaskets are tedious, and we all know how to do them. So, they're on.
Just lay it.
Wait.
What?
Pick up that PCB.
Please, CB. Battery.
These tiny little cables make me so mad. You gotta push it in a little bit. It's gonna have to like go through the plate.
It's so cute already.
We haven't even gotten to the keycaps yet, and that's the best part.
How tight?
Hand tight.
I think I got them all.
Alright, now you can put in the rest of your switches. Double make sure your pins are straight for this since it's already in the board. These actually ended up looking pretty good in this keyboard. Because I thought the matcha ones were the tactile, so I thought it was going to be all green underneath. It would be nice and ugly.
I like green and pink though. I like purple.
Not matcha green with blush
Cool
pink.
Pink, yeah.
Ready for your keycaps?
Yeah. Wait, they're all upside down. All of them.
All of them.
That's alright. Ooh.
Yeah, pink.
Wait, but then it's like different pink than the base.
A little bit.
Then do you press that down like just like that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Now it's in.
Nice.
I was wishing I had a set of GMK Olivia when I was planning this build out, but 2 weeks before the Zoom 65 showed up at my door, Novel Keys dropped the PBT Olivia. It was a sign from the keyboard heavens, and I jumped on the opportunity before they sold out like PBT Tarot did. The shades of pink ended up being a little too off for us to use the all pink caps, but it looked great with just the pink legends on the black caps.
Oh my god.
Do you like it?
I love it.
And with the keyboard fully built, there's just one thing left to do. There's a reason the Zoom 65 is so enticing to beginners. It offers so much all in one affordable package. It has some strange features that made building it a bit confusing for someone really new to the hobby, but the hurdles are easy to jump. It was really fun to help someone build their first keyboard. It really reminded me how much I loved building my first one and put into perspective how far the hobby has come in just 2 years. Pre-loop switches that sound and feel great while saving you hours of time, all aluminum keyboard kits that cost less and come with more, and officially licensed clones that close that gap of availability and ethics. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this format of video. I had a lot of fun making it and giving the gift of a custom mechanical keyboard. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll leave you here with a full sound test. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.